is not a road. This is not a lane. All right. You'll go there.
By the rock road.
He's about to wreck out. Wreck out, roll over. In the air, 1016. Alright. Okay, well, we've got an ambulance coming. Okay.
What kind of car wash is it? Bro.
It's Tommy's Car Wash.
Bro, seriously? Learn how to use a roundabout.
All right, so here we are driving down the Florida Turnpike, and this guy's load is just ready to tip off. I actually have it on Zoom because I'm staying away from it. Look at this. What a fucking mess this is going to be.
My elbow. I am just east of Broden Road.
Sir, I'm trying to go in over there to go.
You're fine where you are. License and registration, please.
Okay, sir, I will go over there.
No, you're not going to go over there. You're going to put the car in park.
Oh, sir, I didn't do anything wrong. What is wrong?
I'm Officer Chestnut, Fairfax County Police. I stopped you for going through a turn lane.
Sir, well, the Easter Church, this is a very blessing, sir.
Vehicle registration, please. Okay, this is a citation for failure to obey the highway sign.
No, sir, this is wrong.
Okay.
You should give me warning. Don't do that. Even though everybody do that, you should know better.